Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction. With multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We are now on our third game. This Sunday, it's the NCF Tigers versus the Annunciation Panthers at nakakasama niyo pa po kami. I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Rick Parta para maghatid po ng aksyon dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium.
Ayan, Tina, banggit mo nga, it's between the Annunciation Panthers and the NCF Tiger Cubs. So yun ang aabangan natin dito because these two teams talagang kilala dito sa ligang ito na isa or part ng magagaling na team on this Bucal Season 6. So yan ang aabangan at tututukan nating lahat ang bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. On the side of the NCF Tigers, alam nating wala pang talo itong ating Junior Cubs and gusto nilang maibalik ang corona sa Francia. Now on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, doon sa naganap na first round of elimination, medyo nabitin tayo sa performance na binigay ng Annunciation Panthers. But dito sa pagpasok ng ating round 2 of elimination round, let's see kung ano ang ipapakitang bagong game plan at bagong tactics ng Annunciation Panthers upang makasali na sa mga nasa upper hand ng bracket. So yan ang abangan natin dito sa Bucal Season 6.
Ayun nga, Rick, nasabi mo na nga, itong ating NCF Tigers, napakaganda ng performance nila doon sa simula ng ating elimination round, with on the other side, the Annunciation Panthers. Hanggang ngayon, nakukulangan tayo sa performance nila at hindi ito yung nakita natin last season. So let's see, dito sa ating second round of elimination, kung meron bang pagbabago on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And now, we're going to start our first quarter. Ball possession goes to the Annunciation Panthers. Now, they are on the run. Jersey number 81. Heavily guarded here. 10 seconds to shoot on their side. Passes inside. Yes. Basket count with a foul. Napakaganda pagsimula para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Now NCF's basketball. Ike passes now to Bromeo. 15 seconds to shoot. So Pete loses the ball. So an early turnover for the side of the NCF Tigers. 3-0. Now, Annunciation Panthers, Detura tries for 3. That's good. Napakaganda ng pagsimula ng first quarter natin para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. At kailangan na kailangan nila yan ngayon because of the defense of the NCF Tigers. Now, Borromeo. 10 seconds to shoot. Going inside. Napakaganda nun. Talagang natakbuhan yung mga guards dyan sa baba. Now, Panthers still on the lead of 4 points. Detura passes now on the corner for 3. In and out ball. At ngayon, itong ating NCF Tigers may 4 na puntos na hinahabol. At para makadinig tayo ng update on the way from the side of the NCF Tigers, let's hear it from Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. Good afternoon, Bicolania, and to all our basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the third game for today, Annunciation Panthers versus the NCF Cops. Ako po, si Kyla Casulia, at ako ang inyong makakasama on the side of the NCF Cops. After their successful battle during the first round of the elimination, the NCF Cops are still undefeated and ready to dominate the second round of the elimination. According to Coach Alwin, they are now prepared for this matchup. Everyday training and no to complacency is the key for what they have. He continuously reminds the team to always give their best shot no matter who the opponent is. Gawin lahat ng kanyang bilen at ipagpatuloy lahat ng magandang nasimulan for this season. Will they still undefeated for the second round of the elimination? Yan ang dapat nating abangan. For now, back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Carla, for that update. So, no room for complacency because anything and any team can win this game. So, yun nga ang paalala dito ni Coach Alwin sa kanyang mga players. If they want to sweep again this round 2, kailangan nilang ipakita yung magandang performance na nagawa nila on that first round. And yan ang aabangan natin dito because the NCF Cubs is down by 4 points. Now, Borromeo, clean basket on that first attempt para dito sa free throw opportunity. And on the other side of things, I think ready na mag-report dito ang courtside reporter sa side ng Annunciation Panthers. Now, Casey, anong balita dyan?
A blazing afternoon, Bicolandia. We're here live at the ADNU Gymnasium for a thrilling matchup between the Annunciation Panthers and the NCF Cubs. Earlier, I talked to the team captain of Annunciation Panthers, Adrian Diaz, and according to him, walang pressure na nararamdaman ng team at i-enjoy lamang nila ang laro. Dagdag pa niya, sasabayan din nila ng puso at pride ang bawat laban. But will the Panthers secure another victory or will the Cubs continue their unbeaten streak? Get ready for an electrifying game filled with High-flying action only here on One Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is your courtside correspondent, Casey Anchoquia, bringing you all the live action from the sideline of Annunciation Panthers. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga, itong ating Annunciation Panthers, walang pressure na nararamdaman ngayon kahit kalaban nila yung ating NCF Tigers. Undefeated doon sa ating first round of elimination. And ito pong ating Annunciation Panthers, isa pa lang po ang panalo throughout the season of Bucal. And I think this is the time for them to step up if they really want to have this win against the NCF Tigers. And as of now, yung kaninang 4 na kalamangan ng Annunciation Panthers, natay na po ng ating NCF Tigers. We're all 6 para sa ating first quarter. 7 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. Now, it's the ball possession of the Panthers. Jersey number 30 now with the ball. Passes now to Detura. Detura ngayon for big 3. Napakalinis para dito kay Detura. Hindi naman dyan alintana yung mga gwardiya ng NCF Tigers.
Pangalawang 3 points na to ng Annunciation Panthers. Now, NCF basketball. No good, and great rebound on the side of this Panthers squad. And another point conversion. What a great layup para dito sa kanilang kupunan. So again, abante ulit dito ang Panthers. Aike may hawak ng bola, passing the ball to Borromeo. Taking their time here. 10 seconds to shoot. Dito sa NCF Cubs, Pin fires for that 3, no good.
Now Diaz with that rebound. Still on the lead. Annunciation Panthers, Detura again on the line. Pangatlong tres galing sa Annunciation Panthers. Buhay na buhay itong si Detura. And the last time that we've seen him, talagang napakaganda ng performance na pinakita niya dito. One of the key players of the Annunciation Panthers. At kailangan lang talaga ng suporta ng kanyang teammates. Now Borromeo, babawi! Dalawang tres para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito, Rick. We're just starting, pero grabe na yung pinapakita ditong offense as well as the defense of the NCF Tigers and Annunciation Panthers. Now, Gobis. A whistled foul. The ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
It's Detura and Borromeo showdown para dito sa araw na ito. Again, itong dalawang players na to ang dapat nating abangan sa mga susunod pang laban because we know that these two key players of these two teams talagang kilala bilang isang magaling na defensive and offensive player. So, a player to look out for this whole league now. Rebound on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Ike now. 18 seconds to shoot. Borromeo tries again on that three-pointer. No good. The ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining.
Ike to inbound. Passing the ball to Sutpin. Heavily guarded here. What a nice pass and nice point conversion para dito kay Loria at kay Sutpin.
Yun nga, Rick, napakaganda ng communication nitong ating NCF Tigers. No good on that attempt on the side of the Annunciation. Now, no, a defensive foul on the side of the NCF Tigers. So turnover para dito sa Panthers. 3-point lead ang hawak nila ngayon. Now, jersey number 30 to inbound.
Now, team, if you're on the side of this Annunciation Panthers, kailangan talagang palubuhin nila ang kalamangan because as we can observe right now, nahahabol ito agaran ng NCF Cubs. Now, again, ball possession ng NCF. Borromeo will try one more time. And again, walang sabit para doon sa tres na yon. So again, ito ang sinasabi ko kanina, Tin. Grabeng humabol itong NCF Tigers. Deadlock at 14. But on the side of Panthers, no no good para sa attempt na yon.
Sutpin passes to Vargas. Vargas naman ngayon para sa 2 points. It's only 2 points para sa ating NCF Tigers. Napakaganda ng offense ng ating NCF Tigers dito. Now, nasa kanila na nga yung 3 puntos na kalamangan. Diaz going inside, pass to jersey number 30. Now, Diaz tries for 3, no good. A chance for the NCF Tigers para mas mapalobo pa yung kalamangan nila ngayon. Gloria, mid-range jumper, no good. Now, more possession of the Panthers here. Detura nagmamadali. Sayang yon. No good on that second chance. Pero on that end, it was a foul. Three minutes and 56 seconds remaining. Penalty na agad itong ating NCF Tigers. Now jersey number 30 on the free throw line. 16-14. That's good. Now still on the free throw line. Itong si jersey number 30 to tie the game here. No good. A 1-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers. Now, bagong pasok dito. Murillo and Cummins. Vargas, no good on that 3-point attempt. It was a foul. Foul was whistled on Esquilona of the Annunciation Panthers. Vargas to inbound. 14 seconds to shoot here. Cummins passes to Murillo. Murillo. The attempt, no good.
Now the ball will go on the side of the NCF Cubs. 16-15 on our scoreboard. Napakagandang palitan ng puntos para dito sa ating larong ito now. 3 minutes and 17 seconds remaining for our first quarter and Annunciation Panthers to inbound. Chance for them para makalamang dito sa ating laro. Fires for that 3. Alam mo, kanina pa nagpapaulan ng tres ang dalawang kupunan na ito. Talagang they are prepared for this matchup and kitang-kita yon sa adrenaline and sa offensive style ng NCF Tigers Cup and Annunciation Panthers. Now, Murillo will try for that long 3. No good.
No, ito na nga yung sinasabi sa side ng Annunciation Panthers. They don't feel pressured at all. Talagang pinaghandaan nila itong ating second round of elimination. No. Siguro makikita na natin yung namimiss nating aksyon kapag naglalaro itong Annunciation Panthers. 16-18, 2-point lead coming from the side of the Panthers. Now Cummins to inbound, passes now to Murillo. 12 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Vargas. Vargas ngayon. But a whistled foul. Natawagan ng foul si jersey number 1 ng Annunciation Panthers, Hamuragan. Now Vargas on the free throw line.
That's good for Vargas. 17-18 on our scoreboard. Now, Hamuragan, maaagawan niya ng bola. What a nice move coming from Cummins. And another foul was committed on the side of this Annunciation Panthers. Free throw shots will be given on the side of the Tigers Cup. Cummins will do the honor para dito sa ating free throw opportunity. 2 minutes and 28 seconds remaining for hours time here sa ating first quarter. Ayan, pasalamatan naman natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, and KD Sportswear and Apparel. And this live streaming is powered by Converge FiberX.
Now a block by Loria. But the ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Both teams are now on the penalty sa ating first quarter. Now, 14 seconds to shoot. Detura passes now to Hachizo. Offensive rebound, wala pa rin para dito sa Panthers. Now, 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Murillo papasok sa loob. Loria was there for his second chance point with a foul. Loria now on the free throw line for a bonus point here. 22-18. That's good. 3-point play coming from him. Now Panthers. Heavily guarded here with the defense of the Tigers. Diaz now passes to Detura. Detura papasok sa loob. But Loria was there. So he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. And of course, batiin lang din natin, Rick, ang mga nanonood ng live sa atin through our Bucal Facebook page. Shoutout dito kay Kyla Casulia, Kate Justin de la Cruz, Julia Luz Calitas Makiling, Jolly Real Tamayo, Federico Laila, Kirby Lance Tanyamor, maraming salamat po. Of course, Federico Laila, I think he's one of the players of the Annunciation Panthers before. And happy watching po. Now NCF's basketball. Murillo now. Going inside, Loria again getting this basket with a foul. Napakaganda ng strategy dito ng NCF Tigers. 25-19.
Ayan, Loria and Murillo tandem. Very effective right now para dito sa ating NCF Cubs. And now, 3 points para dito kay Loria. 26-19 on our scoreboard. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first quarter.
Diaz. A whistled foul.
Ayan, quick shout out ulit sa ating mga live viewers. Shout out kay Angel Atlao, Jake Mahinay at kay Cyrus Puhol. So maraming sumusuporta dito sa Panthers sa ating live streaming. Meanwhile, dito sa loob ng ating venue, the ADNU Gymnasium, full support din ang ating NCF community na talaga namang sumusuporta para dito sa kanilang team. Now, NCF on the offense. Cummins passing the ball to Vargas and fires for that 3. And again, Vargas kilalang kilala para dito sa pagpupuntos ng 3 points on the side of the NCF. Now, Annunciation Panthers with that crucial turnover. Miscommunication ang nangyari para dito sa ating Panthers. Again, kailangan nila itong bawasan because sila ang naghahabol para dito sa ating first quarter. Now, Cummins to Vargas and another one for him. Grabe. Back-to-back 3 points para dito kay Vargas. 32-21. What a nice game para dito sa NCF Cubs.
Yes, napakaganda ng performance ng ating NCF Tigers dito sa ating first quarter. Andyan yung mga key players nila, Vargas, Loria, Borromeo. na talaga nagbibigay aksyon dito sa ating hardcourt. Now, an 8 seconds violation was committed on the side of the NCF Tigers. 32-21, 11 points na po ang hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers with the help of 3 points coming from Vargas. Talagang napalaki na nila yung kalamangan nila against the Annunciation Panthers. But let's see, yes. Jersey number 17, papasok sa loob. Passes to jersey number 16 for 3 points. No good. Now a whistle foul here. 3 seconds remaining on our first quarter.
Great momentum on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now, jersey number 7 has the chance para madagdagan dito ang kanilang kalamangan sa ating first quarter. Both teams are now in penalty. Clean basket. Another point was added on their side. Seconds remaining for our first quarter. And that's it. That's the end of our first quarter, and NCF Cubs maintaining their momentum and lead here sa ating first quarter, and we will be right back for our second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back here at Oragon Sports TV and Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para dito sa ating second quarter ng laban ng Annunciation Panthers and NCF Tigers. At sa pagtapos nga po ng ating first quarter, napakalaking kalamangan po ang iniwan ng NCF Tigers, 33-21 against the Annunciation Panthers. At kitang-kita naman natin on the offense side and the defensive side nitong ating NCF Tigers. Napakaganda ng pinakita nila during our first quarter. Pero titingnan natin dito sa ating second quarter kung ano nga bang gagawing adjustment ng Annunciation Panthers para putulin itong sunod-sunod na pagpuntos ng NCF Tigers. Now it's the ball possession. The NCF nakikipag-agawan dito sa baba. No good pa rin. Now, it's the Panthers basketball. Detura going inside. A whistled foul. Nearly foul here for our second quarter. Detura on the free throw line for 2 shots here.
On the side of this Annunciation Panthers, kailangan dito mag-step up ni Detura kasi on that latter part of our first quarter, medyo tahimik siya on the side of this Annunciation Panthers. But let's see dito sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter kung makakabawi ba or makakapag-adjust itong Annunciation Panthers. Now 33-22 on our scoreboard. And again, shout out ulit tayo team sa ating mga live viewers. Shout out kay James Angelo Gabarda, kay Janjan Basales, Kim Monteroso, and kay Kayla Casulya. Thank you so much.
Shoutout din kay Jameson Brenya. And Marniana Berito na nanonood po sa atin ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Now, nag-aagawan dito ng bola. But it's the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. Jersey number 10. Strong pass para dito kay Detura. But the ball will stay on their side. 10 points ang hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. Now, Manlapaz. Long two, no good. No NCF. Medyo mainit na itong ating mga players from the both side. Now the Annunciation Panthers, ano kaya yung gagawin nila dito sa ating second quarter para ibalik yung ganda ng laro na ipinakita nila during our first quarter. 33-23. Kaya para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Annunciation Panthers, let's hear it from Casey. Hi Casey, any updates?
Rick and Teen, as we head into the second quarter, the Panthers are looking to tighten up their defense after losing the early lead to the Cubs. They're now shifting into a 3-2 zone defense, spreading the court wide to cut off any open looks from the perimeter. Their focus is on stopping the Cubs' offense with a strong emphasis on keeping the paint locked down. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, for that update. Defense, yan ang kailangan dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Because yan ang nagkulang dito on that first quarter. That's why medyo lumamang dito ang NCF Cubs. But 3 points was added on the side of this Annunciation Panthers right on cue. And now, NCF Tigers heavily guarded here by the Annunciation Panthers side at nag-agawan nga ng bola on the side of these both teams now. To hear an update sa side ng NCF Cubs, let's call our courtside reporter Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Teen. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. Nahirapan man nung una na mag-adjust with their defense against the opponent. Mas pinagigihan ng NCF Cubs na makahabol at maibaba ang kalamangan sa kanila at talagang hinabol nila ito para mapasa kanila ang advantage ngayon. Coach Alwin continuously reminds them with their individual role and the defense that they need to execute for their opponent. They also commended the effort of the team, especially sa sunod-sunod na 3-point shot na kanilang shooting guard na si Arnie Vargas. They are reminded to stay consistent with the good performance that they are showing and never be complacent. That's all for now, and back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayun nga, grabe nga yung tinrabaho ng NCF Tigers during our first quarter. Dahil kung makikita nyo, napakaganda ng pasok para dun sa side ng Annunciation Panthers. Pero agad na bawi nitong ating NCF Tigers with the help of the players. Most especially, we have Borromeo, Vargas, Loria na talaga namang pinagtrabahuhan para makuha itong kalamangan na meron sila ngayon. And hindi sila complacent kahit naman na medyo malaki yung kalamangan na meron sila ngayon. Because as we all know, the Annunciation Panthers talagang babawi at babawi yan. But let's just see what will be the adjustment on both sides para naman makita natin yung magandang aksyon between the Annunciation and the NCF. Now, back to the ball game. 2 seconds remaining on the shot clock of the NCF Tigers. Jersey number 50 now to inbound. Now passes to Murillo. Murillo, take it. No good. Pero, out of bounds ball. So the ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers to have a chance here to widen that gap. 33-26.
So these mini errors of this Annunciation Panthers ang nagpapahirap sa kanila to get points here sa ating second quarter na dapat iwasan. And this NCF Cubs taking advantage, and Vargas no good this time para doon sa 3-point attempt. Now, what would be the adjustment of this Annunciation Panthers dito? Because hawak nila ngayon ng basketball, heavily guarded here.
And jersey number 17. 18 seconds to shoot here. Now steal from the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Ditura was there to get it. Jersey number 72 now on the run. Guarded, napakaganda nung depensa nga ipinapakita dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Nahihirapan talaga yung Annunciation Panthers para makakuha ng puntos dito.
A lot of steal on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now, the ball will remain on the side of their team. And shout out tayo din sa mga live audiences dito sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium. Shout out po kay President Mario C. Villanueva of Naga College Foundation, Ma'am Nelba Olaso, kay Sir Joel Villanueva at kay Ma'am Richie Santa Rosa. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta.
Now, jersey number 81 for the fadeaway, no good. Mahihirapan na dito itong ating Annunciation Panthers at unti-unti na nakukuha nitong NCF Tigers yung malaking kalamangan nila dito sa ating second quarter. 35-26 on our scoreboard. Now jersey number 15 now with the ball. 15 seconds to shoot on their side. Romeo to Murillo, tries for 3, no good. Now, Hamuragan ngayon, nagmamadali dito. Hindi pa rin nakuha nila yan. Murillo nagmamadali. Passes to Romeo. Poor execution on that one. Now, Esquiloda. Still struggling itong ating Annunciation Panthers dito sa second quarter. Well, on the other side, the NCF Tigers, fast face basketball here. Borromeo passes to jersey number 15, passes down with a foul.
Now, Hakub with that beautiful shot para doon sa last play na yon. And has the chance to add his point here sa ating laro. And couple of substitution para dito sa NCF Cubs and Annunciation Panthers. 37-26. Again, medyo napapabayaan dito ang Annunciation Panthers when it comes to their defense. Talagang litong-lito or nahihirapang basahin dito ang pinapakita ng NCF Tigers, and right on cue one more time. Pero agawan ng bola ang nangyari on that last sequence. Ang mga steals na nagagawa dito ng NCF Cubs talagang helps a lot to grow these points and grow their momentum here. And again, Tin, right on cue, beautiful steal, and Borromeo. No good on that attempt. Now, Annunciation Panthers then, great connection this time para doon sa kanilang last play. Yun ang kailangan dito ng Annunciation Panthers if they want to chase and cut the lead sa ating first half. 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining.
Now Borromeo passes to Jacob. Passes to the wrong person. Now nagmamadali dito, Annunciation Panthers, jersey number 29. Para dito, kay jersey number 72 of the Annunciation Panthers. Napakaganda. Sunod-sunod na yung pagputos dito ng Panthers. At kailangan lang talaga nilang tuloy-tuloy yung ganitong execution on their side. Now Jacob passes to Borromeo with 8 seconds to shoot here. Jacob on the inside, a steal from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Whistled foul there. Now Baloro to inbound. Passes now to Diaz. Back to Balaoro, heavily guarded here. Ebed ngayon may hawak ng bola on the corner. What will they do now? Tries for 3, no good. Now, the side of the Annunciation Panthers. A challenge kung kanino nga ba mapupunta ang bola. 38-30. An 8-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. We only have 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half. Kaya Rick, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Wow Worlds of Water, NCF Jersey, and NCF IMC. Digital Graphics. Bucal sponsors, we have Bigs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Maraming salamat po. Now, dito nga sa ating second quarter, still the NCF Tigers nagpapakitang gilas dito at napakaganda ng performance na talagang ipinasok nila dito sa ating second quarter. While on the other side, itong ating Annunciation Panthers, paunti-unti naman binabawasan yung kalamangan na meron ng ating NCF Tigers. And after this scenario, ano kaya yung magiging plans ng NCF as well as the Annunciation Panthers para tuloy-tuloy yung kanilang pagpuntos dito. Now a quick replay here. No, now the ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Kitang-kita naman na last touch on the side of the NCF Tigers. Pero a timeout was called here. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining, 38-30 in favor of the NCF Tigers. We will be back only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium for our second quarter, 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. And now, Annunciation Panther nagiging aggressive dito with the help of Ditura. Again, Ditura talagang tinatry niyang buhatin dito ang Annunciation Panthers. 33-38 na ibaba na po sa 5 puntos ang kailangang habulin ng Panthers. And great steal for them. Hamuragan, but Borromeo passing the ball to Sutpin, and now Diamante ang magkakaroon doon ng puntos. What a great game for these both teams.
Now Hermedia, 16 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Ebed, loses that ball. Pero whistled foul after that commotion. Ebed will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here.
Now on the free throw opportunity, jersey number 29 on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And a traveling violation was called on Sadulio. Wasted opportunity para dito sa NCF Tigers.
Wait. Wasted opportunity sa side ng NCF, pero a chance para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers to lessen that gap. Now Balaoro to inbound. The pass is here. On the corner for 3, no good. Borromeo with that rebound. Long pass here. Loria. Nagkakagawan dito. Panthers gets that ball. Jersey number 10 now on the run here. 20 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded here from the side of the NCF Tigers. Papasok pala Oro. Double team pero naipasok pa rin yung bola na yan. Now, only 5 points ang hinahabol dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
This is a good thing on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Slowly but surely ang ginagawa dito when it comes to their offense and defense. Change of momentum para dito sa ating laro. But this time, great still coming from the NCF Tigers. Now Sutpin losing that ball. And again, Annunciation Panthers.
Now, whistle foul. Napakaganda. Napakabilis ng mga pangyayari dito. Pero time out para sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. 40-35 dahil makikita mo naman talaga, Rick, ito ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Tuloy-tuloy yung kanilang steals as well as napakaganda nung offense ang pinapakita nila ngayon dito. 2 minutes and 19 seconds na lamang ang natitira sa ating first half. Pero the Annunciation Panthers hindi pa rin tumitigil para makuha itong kalamangan against the NCF Tigers. Gusto lang din namin batiin ang mga nanonood sa atin ng live sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Shoutout kay Nicole Andrea Oliva, Kyle Alolor, kay Ram J. Alivarvar, Emmanuel Polo, kay Federico Laila na nagpapa-shoutout dito sa kanyang mga teammates na sina Jolly Real Tamayo, Cyrus Puhol, Jake Mahinay, at kay Deticio Pacifico. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay.
So yung mga nabanggit mo sa shoutout na yun, Tin, is the former junior players ng ating Annunciation Panthers. They are supporting their school right now. And this is a good thing for this Annunciation Panthers to boost their confidence here sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium. No good para doon sa 3-point attempt, pero offensive rebound para dito sa Annunciation Panthers. 8 seconds to shoot for their team. Fires for that 3. No good. Now, Borromeo securing that rebound para dito sa NCF Tigers. Borromeo and the rest of this NCF Cubs, kailangan ulit dito painitan ang kanilang laro para sa ating second quarter. Kasi again, paunti-unti, this Annunciation Panthers is building their momentum and building their great defense. That's why nabaliktad na nga dito ang ating sitwasyon when it comes to momentum. The Annunciation Panthers and the Tura leading this team. Talagang napakaganda ng connection para dito sa ating second quarter na ito. Now, Sutpin to inbound. And Vargas, no good para sa attempt na yon. Ball possession ng Annunciation Panthers.
Now a chance for them here. Still a 5-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers, to the steal from them. Borromeo getting inside. And a point para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining na lamang po tayo sa ating first half. Ngayon nagmamadali na dito. Esquilona, agad-agad naman binawi yung puntos na nagawa dyan ni Borromeo.
Great exchange of points here for both teams. Now Sutpin to Borromeo. Borromeo passing the ball to his teammate. And what a great assist and great point conversion para dito sa NCF Cubs. Now, Annunciation Panthers with the ball possession. Last 1 minute of the game of our second quarter, rather.
No NCS basketball. Sutpin, fast break here, no good. Pero an offensive rebound on their side. Nahirapan doon sa Agawan, but the ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. One player is now down. Sutpin. Last 42 seconds of our first half. Now magpapahinga muna si Sutpin dito para sa side ng ating NCF Tigers.
Bad landing on that last sequence para dito kay Sutpin. Now, NCF Tigers need to step up big time here sa pagkawala ni Sutpin dito sa loob ng hardcourt. Vargas will try for that three, no good. And now, Annunciation Panthers with the ball possession. 34 seconds remaining for our second quarter. What a great fast break para dito sa Annunciation Panthers. No hesitation on that last play para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Now, Aike. Borromeo may hawak ng bola. And 2 shots will be given on the side of NCF Tigers. Now, Diamante. They need this free throw to add their score, but unfortunately, no good on that first attempt.
5 puntos ang hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. 13 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half. Now, Panthers, what will they do now to lessen that gap? Heavily guarded here. Balaoro loses that ball, pero Esquilona nandyan. And that's the end of our second quarter, 44-39 in favor of the NCF Tigers. And with that, we will be back for our second half for more actions only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
Realize your dream community. Stay accessible. Invest in a high-value property at the Palm Village located at Zone 2, San Felipe, Naga City, and live 5 minutes away from Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City churches, Naga City universities, and secondary learning institutions. Palm Village is developed by Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, realizing dream communities using a RISE technology, making your family's home the safest, with solid concrete buhos, typhoon-resistant, fire-resistant, pest-resistant, and earthquake-resistant. Get a quote today. Talk to our accredited real estate brokers or salespersons, or visit Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation on the 2nd floor, Aman Corporate Center, Parkview Executive Townhomes, Zone 6, San Felipe, Naga City, or call 0929-608-3744 and 054-884-5188 to make an appointment. Follow our Facebook page, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, for more details.
Bilis laki, nipis taba. BMEG! Bilis kita! Para sigurado, tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. Ito lang ang may Lean Plus technology. Kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa panahon ng pagbenta. Kaya mabilis ang kita. Tuloy nyo na! Bilis laki, nipis taba. BMEG! Bilis kita! Tuloy-tuloy ang BMEG Premium. Tuloy-tuloy ang kita.
And we are back here sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium for our second half. Ball possession ng NCF Cubs. Now, NCF, 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 10. Matatawagan ng foul para sa last play na yon on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And now, Teen, ano ba ang nangyari on that first half between these NCF Cubs and Annunciation Panthers? Take it away.
Ngayon nga, Rick, itong ating halftime analysis na medyo napadami yung turnovers dito ng ating NCF Tigers, pero talagang nagawa nila ng paraan kung kaya nasa kanila yung kalamangan na yun. Of course, ang dami ding offensive rebound na nakumit dito sa Annunciation Panthers, kung kaya hindi din nagkakalayo yung puntos nila. And as we continue in our third quarter, titignan natin what will be the adjustment on the both sides. Ngayon na medyo mababa na yung kalamangan na meron ng ating NCF Tigers at talagang humahabol itong ating Annunciation Panthers. And at this moment, 6 na puntos po ang hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers sa kalamangan para sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. Now it's their ball possession, but a traveling violation was committed on their side. Now a good chance here for the Annunciation Panthers para madagdagan yung kanilang puntos at mabawasan yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Now Annunciation Panthers on the run. Gobis passes now to Balaoro. Napakagandang execution on their side. And with that, napatawag nga ng timeout itong ating NCF Tigers. Medyo kinabahan sila doon. At para makarinig tayo ng update.
On the side of the NCF Cubs, let's call our courtside reporter, Kayla. Hi, Kayla. Anong mainat na update on the side of the NCF Cubs?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup. During the huddle, they are reminded by their turnovers at kulang sila sa rebound. Ika nga ni Coach D, huwag titingnan ang score at unahin na makakontribute sa kanilang team. They are pouring all the efforts to maintain their advantage for this game. Laging paalala ng coaches na ibigay ang 100% nila at pag nakakalamang na, huwag nang hahayaan na makahabol ang kanilang opponent. For the last reminder of Coach Alwin, hindi pa tapos ang laban, mahaba pa ang dalawang quarters. They should not be complacent and they should play smarter this time. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga, hindi nga talaga complacent itong ating NCF Tigers at medyo hindi nga maganda yung kanilang rebounding on our first half na kailangan nilang gawin during the second half because at the moment, the Annunciation Panthers unti-unti na nga binabawi itong kalamangan ng ating NCF Tigers. Now, it's a ball possession of the NCF. Borromeo loses that ball but it will stay on their side. Now, napakaganda na din nung defense-ang ipinapakita dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. At para makikita tayo ng update all the way from the side, tawagin natin si Casey. Hi Casey, anong balita natin dyan?
Rick and Scene, heading into the third quarter, the Panthers are focusing on reducing the dribbling and moving the ball quickly. Coach Van advised that they need to trust their teammates more and be quicker in passing. They'll also be emphasizing box outs to control the rebounds and limit the Cubs' second chance points. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Casey, for that update. So yun nga, this Annunciation Panthers securing to have a good offense and defense, and it shows on their performance right now. 49-43 on our scoreboard. What a chase on the side of this Annunciation Panthers, and right on cue, nagpakawala ng tres. At yun nga, naibaba na dito ang kalamangang hawak ng NCF Tigers. What a great basketball game para dito sa Panthers. Now on the side of these NCF Cubs, yung kaninang sinasabi din ni Coach Alwin na huwag maging kampante, ngayon na dapat yun gawin ng NCF Cubs because as we can see on our screen and on this game, this Annunciation Panthers, nag-iinit na para dito sa ating laro. Now, 7 minutes and 21 seconds para dito sa ating third quarter. And still, this Annunciation Panthers, pinapahirapan dito ang NCF Cubs to get a point. Now, it's their ball possession, NCF Cubs. Aike to inbound, passing the ball to Borromeo. Vargas will try for three, no good. And now, Panthers, ball possession. Ayan, Annunciation Panthers. They want to cut the lead na hawak ng NCF Tigers. Heavily guarded here. Fires for that one, no good. Offensive rebound on their side. Now Detura tries for three, no good. The ball will go on the side of the NCF Cubs. Grabe, intense ang dalawang kupunan na ito. Para dito sa laban na ito, they want and they need to win this game. But this time, Borromeo getting 3 points na na-miss ng NCF community. What a great pass and outplayed on the side of this Annunciation Panthers, outplaying the side of the NCF Cubs. And now, Aike, may hawak ng bola para dito sa NCF Cubs, Borromeo. Losing that ball and great steal coming from this Annunciation Panther squad. Back-to-back steal for both teams. Diamante passing the ball to Aike. Vargas will try on the other side of court. No good pa rin para doon sa 3-point attempt.
Now, it's the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Nagmamadali. Medyo nahihirapan ulit itong ating Annunciation Panthers doon sa sunod-sunod na depensang ipinapakita ng NCF Tigers. 52-48. 4 points ang hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. And still the ball possession of the Tigers here.
Napakagandang depensang tapatan dito ng NCF Cubs and Annunciation Panthers. This is the moment that we've been waiting for these both teams. Now Borromeo passing the ball to Vargas, heavily guarded here by jersey number 81. 5 seconds to shoot para dito sa NCF Tigers. Borromeo will fire for that 3-point attempt pero no good. Mauubusan nga dito ng shot clock on the side of the NCF Cubs. Again, great defense.
Yes, napakaganda ng depensa ng Annunciation Panthers. Talagang hindi nakakalusot itong mga players ng ating NCF Tigers. Now let's see on the offense side. Hamuragan ngayon, may hawak ng bola for the side of the Panthers here. Going inside, passes to Ebed. Ebed ngayon, may hawak ng bola. Tries for a mid-range, no good. Offensive rebound, wala pa rin. Now chance here for the NCF Tigers. IK, 17 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Borromeo. That's a long three coming from Vargas. Napakaganda ng laro nitong dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, ano yung gagawin dito ng Annunciation? Ebed with an offensive rebound. No good. Napakaganda sana nun. Now Vargas ngayon is still from the side. Hamuragan. Now passes here to Ebed. 20 seconds to shoot here. Pero daming chances para dito sa Annunciation Panthers. Pero hindi nagawa ng paraan. 55-48.
Amazing basketball game ang natutunghayan natin dito live na live sa Oragon Sports TV. What a game para dito sa Annunciation Panthers and NCF Cubs. Grabe. Nasa second round na nga tayo ng elimination round because all the teams palaban talaga dito sa every game na nangyayari sa Bucal Season 6. Now, the NCF Cubs on the offense right now and having a substitution para dito sa ating larong ito. Morillo is in and Ike is out para dito sa Cubs.
Napakaganda nga, Rick, nung pagbabago dito sa side ng Annunciation Panthers dahil doon sa mga past games nila na napanood natin, kulang talaga yung performance na pinapakita nila compared to the last season na sila nga yung ating naging second runner-up. And now, dito sa ating second round of elimination, Annunciation Panthers muling nabuhay. Napakaganda ng performance, most especially itong mga players nila. Headed by Ditura and yes, the team captain of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, it's the ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Morillo for 3, no good. Now, chance here for the Annunciation Panthers. Hamuragan na agawan ng bola ni Loria. Basket counts with a foul. Now, a quick replay on that one. Loria having that victory against the players of the Annunciation Panthers.
What a move para dito kay Loria. Now, NCF Tigers. Dinadagdagan ulit dito ang kanilang hawak na kalamangan. 10-point lead ang hawak ng NCF Cubs. Now, Annunciation Panthers. Hamuragan looking for his teammate, taking his time here. 10 seconds to shoot and a great steal coming from the Cavs. Morillo nagmamadali. But no good para dito sa NCF Cubs.
Now Esquilona. Second chance point para dito sa ating Anunciation Panthers.
Now NCF Cubs on the offense. Morillo passing the ball to Vargas. Heavily guarded here. Borromeo to Santiago. Turn out of bounds ball para dito sa NCF Cubs. At mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang Anunciation Panthers because again, ang NCF Cubs nagkakaroon na naman ng mini run here sa ating third quarter. 3 minutes and 9 seconds remaining para dito sa ating laro. And mag-shout out tayo sa ating mga viewers. Shout out kay Maui Balane at kay Via. Two commentators para dito sa Bucal Season 6. And now, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Garden Café, Naga Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Revenus Communications Incorporated. And special thanks also to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC Digital Graphics, Bigs, Elise Sportswear and Uniform HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngoyen Sons Training and Industries, and Pocari Sweat. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Now back to the ball game. To rather, we have some adjustments here sa ating laro.
Now Rick, as we can see on our third quarter, napakaganda ng performance na pinakita nitong ating dalawang kupunan, mapa-opensa o depensa man. As for the side of the NCF Tigers, talagang yung mga key players nila, three-pointers na hindi natin nakita nung second quarter, ngayon bumalik, most especially Vargas and Borromeo having that 3 points. And on the side of the Anunciation Panthers, kahit naman medyo nakukulangan tayo sa 3-point shot, pero sa loob talagang napakaganda nung ipinapakita nila. And also, hindi alintana yung height advantage dito ng NCF Tigers para tuloy-tuloy sila sa pagpasok. But as of now, let's see kung ano nga ba ang mangyayari dito dahil medyo mahaba-haba pa itong ating laro.
Ayan, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live audiences dito sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium. Shoutout po kay James and Brenya. Thank you so much and happy viewing.
Now, shoutout din tayo kay Christina Valenzuela, Kelly Francisco, kay James Angelo Gabarda, kay Janjan Basales, kay Mariela Berido, and kay Carla May Calieja. Maraming salamat po sa pagkatabay. Now, 58-50, 8 points ang hawak ng NCF Tigers. 3 minutes and 9 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter.
Back to the ball game. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari dito sa 3 minutes and 9 seconds na natitirang oras para sa ating third quarter. Now 58-50. Kanino kaya mapupunta ang magandang panapos para dito sa ating third quarter? Now
a 1-3-1 defense on the side of the NCF Tigers. Jersey number 81 to inbound para dito sa ating Anunciation Panthers. Now, Datura handling the ball for the Anunciation Panthers. Passes on the inside here, but a steal on the side of the NCF Tigers. Borromeo is now down. That's a heavy hit on his back. Pero dun sa ating last sequence, the ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Borromeo, isa sa mga players talagang grabe yung ambag dito sa ating NCF Junior Cubs.
Medyo napalakas yung pagkakabangga niya dito sa may sideline. And let's hope na hindi ito serious injury on the side of the NCF. Now, back to the ball game.
Panthers heavily guarded here. Sutpi now. Diaz was there to recover that ball. Now passes here to jersey number 16. And the ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Only 1 second to shoot here for the Panthers. Anong gagawin nila dito? Jersey number 16 now passes to Ditura. And that's good. Pasok pa yung tres ni Ditura dyan. Napakaganda. Talagang nagawa ng paraan kahit 1 segundo na lamang yung hawak dito ng Annunciation Panthers. Now, on the side of the NCF Tigers, ano kaya magiging sagot nila dito? Morillo passes to Vargas, papawi ng tres. Let's see, no good. Chance here for the Annunciation Panthers. Ditura, man of the game for the Panthers. That's good. Back-to-back points here for Ditura. 3 puntos na lamang ang hahabulin ng Annunciation Panthers. What will the NCF Tigers do at this moment? Vargas passes to Murillo. Murillo ngayon, long 2, airball. Now chance here for the Panthers. Ditura. Sayang yun. But now Murillo. With that ball, passes to Supin. Supin ngayon, nasa loob, nakikipagkagawa ng bola. Good defense on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Dumasyan. Pero foul was whistled there. Good recovery on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Napakaganda nung tres na binitawan dito ni Ditura, and nadagad nakapuntos ulit ng 2 points para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers, making it just a 3-point lead of the NCF Tigers.
Again, Ditura heavy lifting on the side of this Annunciation Panthers. And now, down to 2-point lead ang kailangan ditong habulin ng kanilang kupunan. What a great momentum para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Talagang mainit ang laro nitong Panthers. But a foul was called on the Annunciation Panthers player.
Now Hutchison will be back on the court for the Annunciation Panthers. 58-56. 2-point lead of the NCF Tigers. De Livieres babalik na rin dito para sa NCF Tigers. Noah Cobb on the free throw line for 2 shots here. No good on that first attempt. At saka nga pala, Rick, pasalamatan lang din natin si Sir Mario Villanueva para sa ating post-Peña Francia celebration kagabi po sa Romantic Baboy. Maraming salamat po. At sa lahat po na nakasama natin para sa ating Peña Francia coverage, para sa traslasyon, sa Fluvial Procession, and also sa mga civic events po na napanood nyo ng live sa One Media TV 48 Naga. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tao nasa likod po ng camera na patuloy pong sumusuporta sa amin. Again, maraming salamat po kay Sir Mario Villanueva. And now, on that last sequence, the Annunciation Panthers basket counts para dito kay Esquilona and a bonus free throw para maitabla itong ating laro sa ating third quarter. I think simula ng first quarter, ito na muli yung magiging deadlock ng Annunciation and NCF Tigers. no good on that one. But let's see now as Vargas gets that ball. And a layup, no good. Offensive rebound para dito kay Chamante. Cutting that point. And grabe yung celebration dito ng ating NCF community. Dahil medyo malapit na yung puntos ng Panthers dito. Now, Detura pass to Esquilona. A block by Telovieres. Chamante, solong-solo para sa back-to-back points na yan. We only have 42 seconds remaining at this point. Pero agad na ilamang ng NCF Tigers yung kaninang malapit na makuha nitong ating Annunciation Panthers.
Now, very intense matchup between these two teams, and even the fans here of both teams nagkakainitan na. What a game for these both teams. Now, NCF will try, no good.
No, Detura. Hachazo loses that ball. They turn over for the side of the NCF Tigers with a 5-point lead here. Hindi pa po to fourth quarter. Patapos pa lang tayo ng third quarter, but the intensity of this game is really high at this moment.
Eye on the prize for both teams. What a great match-up. Sulit na sulit ang panunood dito sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium. And of course, ating mga live streaming partners, we have the Bucal Facebook page, 1 Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. 7 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. Vargas magpapakawala pa ng tres para dito sa ating pagtatapos ng third quarter. What a nice 3-point shots coming from Andre Vargas. 66-58 on our scoreboard. We will be right back on our fourth and final quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Back for the fourth and last quarter of this matchup of the Annunciation Panthers versus the NCF Tigers. What a good third quarter we had. Grabe yung intensity na feel natin dahil kanina nga muntikan na maitay nitong ating Annunciation Panthers yung puntos nila against the NCF Tigers, pero agad nagawan ng paraan nitong mga players ng NCF Tigers para muling makuha yung 8 puntos na kalamangan na meron muli sila. In just a span of 1 minute, nagawa po yan ng NCF Tigers. So dito po sa pagpasok ng ating fourth quarter, titingnan po natin ano yung gagawing adjustment ng Annunciation Panthers para muling maibalik yung momentum ng kanilang teams. And of course, alam naman natin itong ating Annunciation Panthers, magandang laban yung ipapakita nila para sa ating last quarter. Now it's their ball possession. Let's see how the fourth quarter will start with the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. Now Detura, man of the Annunciation, pero an early turnover with that traveling violation committed by Detura.
Now, NCF ball possession, 66-58. So this is the final quarter. So kung kailangang bumawi, kailangang bawiin na dito ng Annunciation Panthers ang mga puntos. And on the side of the NCF Tigers, dagdagan ng kalamangan. Yan ang magiging goal dito ng kanilang kupunan. Detura will fire for that 3. No good this time. The ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
Now 14 seconds to shoot on their side. They need to pull this off with this ball possession. Very important as of this moment as we're now on the last quarter. Now tries again for 3, no good. Pero NCF Tigers nandyan sa baba. Now, Sutpin loses that ball, but an offensive foul was committed here. Para kay Sutpin. Maaga pa para sa ating fourth quarter, pero ang daming turnover na agad para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Now ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers here. Balaoro now. Passes to the Tura. 66-58. Wala pa rin tayong puntos sa pagpasok ng ating fourth quarter. No good on that one. Jacob with that rebound. Pero stepping on the line na nga itong ating NCF Junior Cubs. So the ball will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers na naghahabol ng kanilang 8 puntos na kalamangan. Kaya ano kaya yung ipapakita ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers? At para malaman yan, tawagin natin si Casey. Hi Casey, update natin dyan.
Rick and Tin, we're now into the last quarter and the Panthers have shown resilience, almost closing the gap in the score during the third quarter. They've been fighting hard, using screens to create better opportunities, but the Cubs have managed to maintain their lead. Now it all comes down to execution. The Panthers will focus on minimizing turnovers in this final stretch to keep the momentum going and challenge the Cubs for a comeback. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Casey, for that update. So yun nga, Annunciation Panthers is challenging right now the NCF Cubs. As we can observe right now, bumaba ulit sa 6 ang kailangang habulin dito ng kanilang kupunan. What a game para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. And remember, this is the first time na magharap ng dalawang kupunan na ito sa ating second round match. And to hear an update sa side ng NCF Cubs, let's call our courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the final quarter of this matchup. During the huddle, the Cubs are reminded to double their hustle because this is their last quarter to get their win for this round. Ayon nga sa kanilang coaches, kailangan nilang maging sigurado sa kada galaw na kanilang gagawin, especially on their position and role inside the court. Huwag magmamadali para maayos na opensa at depensa ang kanilang magawa sa loob ng court. For the last reminder of Coach Alwin, they need to stay focused and composed. Don't be pressured, lalo na pag nakakahabol na ang kanilang kalaban, and pour out everything for the last quarter of this game. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan na, ibigay na ang lahat ditong ating NCF Junior Cubs dahil nasa last quarter na tayo ng game against the Annunciation Panthers. And as we can see, grabe talaga yung larong ibinibigay ngayon ng Annunciation Panthers, kung kaya talaga kailangan mag-focus itong ating NCF Tigers that they really want to take on this lead na 8 puntos nga yung kanilang hawak ngayon. But let's see, as this is the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers na talagang determinado ding makuha yung kanilang pangalawang panalo dito sa ating season ng Bucal. But Detura, nakuha na ng bola, but a good steal again on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, chance for them, no good. Pero an offensive rebound on their side. Nagkakagawa ng bola dito. Now Diaz with that ball loses it. And now that's a turnover para dito sa ating NCF Tigers.
Grabe, ang depensang pinapakita ng NCF Cubs as well as the Annunciation Panthers. That's why nahihirapan dito when it comes to their offense ang dalawang koponan. 68-60 on our scoreboard. 2 points pa lamang po ang naidadagdag na puntos para dito sa ating fourth quarter match. 7 minutes and 5 seconds remaining para dito sa ating laro na Vargas passing the ball to Sutpin. 15 seconds to shoot para dito sa ating NCF Cubs. What a great pass and great assist on that last play that leads to point conversion, and now 10-point lead ang hawak ng NCF Cubs, and a great steal again. But this time the ball possession will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, and now Borromeo ibabalik sa loob ng hardcourt para dito sa NCF Cubs. Because Borromeo is one of the key player na inaasahan dito when it comes to offense and defense. Now
Hermedia on the side of the Sensation Panthers with the ball. Now passes jersey number 81. 10 seconds to shoot here. Heavily guarded. Yes, gets that ball. Now jersey number 17 fires for 3. That's good. Now ito yung kailangan na ngayon ng Sensation Panthers. Be careful doon sa kanilang mga galaw at talagang siguraduhin na makakapasok yung kanilang mga bola. Now Jacob passes to Supine with 7 seconds to shoot. Now it's the Annunciation's basketball. $70-63 an hour scoreboard. It's the Annunciation's basketball. Balaoro to inbound. Chance for them here to lessen that gap. Jersey number 72 now with that ball. Garmedia passes to Diaz. Diaz ngayon hahanap dito. Passes on the inside. Garmedia. No good on that three-point attempt. Offensive rebound blocked by the NCF player. Now, Borromeo back on the court. What will he do? Loria for the second chance point. Good communication between the players of the NCF Tigers, as we can see here for our fourth quarter. We're halfway through this last quarter. 5 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. Now, nagpakawala ng tres dito. No good. The ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. 72-63. 9-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Let's see kung kaya pa ba itong maipababa ng Annunciation Panthers. Now Ike. 12 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Borromeo. Borromeo on the inside. Loses it. Pero a great recovery here for Ike. It was a foul. Okay, no good in that throw attempt. Ike for the second attempt on the free throw line. 72-63 on our scoreboard. Wala pa rin. Now chance here for the Annunciation Panthers to lessen that gap. 4 minutes and 44 seconds remaining here. Now, jersey number 72 with the ball. Passes here to Hachazo. Yes, ngayon papasok sa loob. No good. Offensive rebound. Balaoro gets it.
Now, ball possession ng NCF Cubs. 4 minutes and 21 seconds remaining for our game.
Like 15 seconds to shoot here. Borromeo with that ball passes to speed. 7 points. Ike di diretso sa loob.
Grabe naman ang play na yon on the side of the NCF Cubs and courtesy of Jaed Ike. Now, Annunciation Panthers, they need this one in and out ball para sa attempt na yon.
Malapit na tayo sa pagtatapos ng ating fourth quarter, but still, the actions between the Annunciation Panthers and the NCF Tigers dito pa rin. At hindi pa tapos yung laban as both teams are very determined here to get this win. Now a whistle foul there. Ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. Vargas papasok muli dito sa NCF Tigers. Pero timeout was called here. 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. 74-65. 9 points ang hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. At dahil dyan, Rick, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. Maraming salamat po sa Amal Engineering Enterprise, Skytech Advertising, sa Duty Free Philippines, Unibersidad de Sta, BMEG Alagang number 1, at sa Department of Agriculture of Bucal. And of course, sa ating Bucal sponsors, maraming salamat po sa Bigs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngoy & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Maraming salamat po.
We are down to our 3 minutes and 25 seconds para sa larong ito. Again, match-up between Annunciation Panthers and the NCF Cubs. Sino ang uuwing makakakuha ng panalo dito sa ating Bucal Season 6? Pag nanalo dito ang NCF Cubs, meron pa rin silang clean record with 6-0 on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. If they win this one, makakakuha sila ng pangalawang panalo para sa ating liga. So both teams are hungry and eager to win this fight. Now, ball possession ng NCF Tigers. Aike will try for that 3. No good.
Now, Annunciation Panthers on the run here. Quick point. No good. Defensive rebound. Hutchison gets it. Nabawasan dito ang kalamangan. Nakalalang hinahabol against the NCF Tigers. At mamaya po, abangan niyo ang ating fourth game. It's the ACLC Hawks versus the UNC Greyhounds for our juniors division. But now, Vargas fires for 3. No good. Balaoro ngayon may hawak ng bola. Didiretso sa loob. Napakaganda nun. And with that, the timeout was called on the side of the NCF Tigers dahil doon sa pagkatapos lang ng ating timeout, 4 points agad yung nagawa dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers with that quick replay. Balaoro, fast break para dyan sa 2 puntos. And now, 5 puntos na lamang po ang kanilang hinahabol dito against the NCF Tigers. And itong ating Annunciation Panthers, kailangan lang talagang dire-diretso yung kanilang gagawing strategy. Kung ano talaga yung, kung gusto talaga nilang makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito against the NCF Tigers. At syempre, alam naman natin na itong ating NCF Tigers, hindi magpapatalo at talagang gagawin yung kanilang best para makuha din yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito. Now we are back on the ball game. 74-69. We only have 2 minutes and 42 seconds remaining at napakalaki pa nitong oras na ito para sa dalawang kupunan because marami pa ang pwedeng mangyari. 5 puntos lamang po ang hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. At pwede pang magbago kung itong ating Annunciation Panthers ay gagawa talaga ng paraan para makuha itong panalo ngayong hapon na ito. And of course, next week, abangan nyo rin po ang ating magagandang bakbakan na hatid po sa inyo ng Oragon Sports TV and Bucal Facebook page. Now, ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Borromeo now passes here to Aike. Vargas loses that ball. Annunciation Panthers chance here. Ventura or Hutchison gets it. Bago pa tayo magtawag ng timeout, si Hutchison nga yung nakapuntos dito para sa Annunciation Panthers. And with this, 3 puntos na lamang po ang hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Very intense na po itong laban ng Annunciation and NCF Tigers. Vargas, anong gagawin ngayon? With 5 seconds to steal from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. This is a big opportunity for them. We are now down to the last 1 minute and 52 seconds of the game. Ditura passes to Gobis. Heavily guarded here. Kanino kaya ipapasag? Yes, ngayon may hawak ng bola. Whistle foul para dito kay Jacob ng NCF Tigers. Now it's still the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. At 3 puntos na yung kanilang kailangan magawa dito to tie this game and have an opportunity to get this win this afternoon. Now Balaoro passes to Tutura. 12 seconds to shoot here. Diaz para dito kay Hutchison na mainit-init para sa ating 4th quarter. Balaoro for 3. That's good! And now we are tied on 74 all. Grabe itong ating Annunciation Panthers. A minute and 25 seconds remaining and we are tied. Buhay na buhay po ngayon ang ating mga supporters on the side of the Annunciation Panthers dahil meron pang laban. Now, 9 seconds to shoot here. Ike passes to Borromeo for 3. Babawi kaya! And that's good!
What a great exchange of 3 points. Very crucial at this moment for both teams. Now, Annunciation Panthers on the offense right now and aiming to tie this match. But Borromeo again showing prowess inside this court. What a great steal. Grabe ang pinapakita dito ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Last 43 seconds ng ating laro. Vargas. And now Borromeo one more time for that 3 points. Offensive rebound. This time Vargas will try and Vargas will score.
Now Rick, 100 na puntos na yung hawak ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And with that, napatawag na nga ng timeout itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Dahil, alam mo yun, nag-celebrate na sila dahil natay na nila yung puntos against the NCF Tigers. But Borromeo and Vargas was there for the NCF side para kunin yung 6 na puntos na kalamangan ngayon. Now, a quick replay dyan. Vargas, napakagandang tres po ang ibinigay para sa NCF Tigers. And now, 6 na puntos muli yung gagawin o pagtatrabahuhan ngayon ng Annunciation Panthers. And we only have 31 seconds. So now let's see, ano yung gagawin dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers? Dahil, grabe, yung intensity, yung mga fans ng NCF and Annunciation ngayon, kinakabahan dahil napakaganda pong laban ang ating napapanood ngayong hapon pong ito.
What a great basketball ang nasasaksihan natin dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. 31 seconds everyone. Yan na lamang po ang natitirang oras para sa laro ngayong araw na ito between the NCF Cubs and the Annunciation Panthers. Grabe, on this ball possession na hawak ngayon ng Annunciation Panthers, ano kaya ang gagawin nila para mahabol at ma-force ang ating larong ito into overtime? Now, ball possession ng kanilang kupunan. Jersey number 10 to inbound, rather 30.
Yes, Balaoro to inbound here for the side of the Annunciation Panthers. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Passes to Gobis. Gobis, anong gagawin ngayon dito? 27 seconds remaining of the game. Defense of the NCF Junior Cubs, kitang-kita dito. And the ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers with only 22 seconds remaining and 6-point lead. So let's see what will happen with that 22 seconds. Will it be the NCF Tigers continues to get the point or the Annunciation Panthers? Good recovery dito. Now, 18 seconds remaining in our last quarter. Jacob to inbound here, 80-74 on our scoreboard. Now Jacob to inbound. Jacob now pass to Borromeo. Whistle foul. 15 seconds remaining with 6-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. Still a good fight between these two great teams, Annunciation Panthers and NCF Junior Cubs. Walang tapon para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. At hindi sayang yung ticket para dito sa mga live audience sa loob ng ating gymnasium. Dahil grabe yung action po ang napanood natin, most especially nung pagpasok ng ating 4th quarter. Grabe din yung ginawa ng Annunciation Panthers dito. Dahil nga napakalaki ng kalamangan na nakuha ng NCF Tigers. Pero talagang nilaban nila at pinagtrabahuhan nila yung puntos na meron sila ngayon. But on the other side, the NCF Junior Cubs, grabe din yung depensa at opensa, communication inside the court nitong mga players na to, most especially Vargas at Borromeo, na talagang naging isa sa mga nagbigay ng puntos at magandang laban dito sa ating matchup between the ACC or the Annunciation Panthers and the NCF Junior Cubs.
15 seconds remaining. No need to be ashamed kung sino man ang matatalo this ball game because again, binigyan tayo or pinakitaan tayo ng dalawang kupunan na ito kung ano talaga ang nangyayari inside this Bucal Season 6. What a game and what a crowd right now dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium.
Now we only have 15 seconds. NCF's basketball passes now to Ike. They're just taking their time here. And the whistled foul there. So Ike will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Ventura with that foul. Both teams are now on the penalty. Ike on the free throw line here. 11 seconds na lamang ang meron po tayo. And just like what Rick said, napakaganda ng performance na pinakita nitong dalawang kupunan na ito. Kaya kahit sino man matalo, hindi ka may kakahiya talaga, Rick, kasi napakaganda din. Hindi ka napag-iwanan nung kalaban mo. Now, Ike. First attempt. No good.
And it's such a good fight for both teams. 8 seconds remaining. And I'm sure that the NCF community is very proud and happy at this moment because again, clean record pa din ang hawak ngayon ng NCF Cubs. 6-0 everyone! What a game para dito sa araw na ito. Congratulations to Naga College Foundation Cubs and the Annunciation Panthers for giving us a good fight at this moment. Now, when we return, makikilala po natin kung sino ang magiging best player of the game para dito sa araw na to. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction. With multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, bitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas-tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
brought to you by Naga College Foundation, home of the champion, leap into the future. At Dugong Tigre nga ang nangibabaw for this game and they won against the Annunciation Panthers. Our best player of the game is jersey number 13 with 23 points, 5 rebounds, and 3 steals. He's none other than John Benedict Borromeo. Hello, John Benedict. Grabe, what a game against the Annunciation. Talagang napakagandang match-up. Matanong ko lang, ano ba yung naging personal adjustments mo kanina, especially nung dumidikit na yung laban nyo against the Panthers?
Siyempre po, nagtiwala lang po ako sa mga teammates ko and patuloy lang po sa laro. Ayun lang po.
Kanina, grabe meron sa'yong nangyari dito. Ano yung naging motivation mo para bumalik at bumawi for the following quarters?
Naisip ko po yun, madali na lang po matapos yung game and sakripisyo na lang po. And pinilit ko po yung sarili ko para lang makapaglaro po. Ayun.
John Benedict, dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gustong batiin.
Unang-una po nagpapasalamat po ako kay God dahil binigyan niya ako ng lakas at isip. And kay Pres Mario po na thank you rin po dahil binigyan niya ako ng opportunity na makapaglaro dito sa Bucal Season 6 and sa family ko po and sa NCF community po na lagi nakasuporta, yun lang po.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it. That is jersey number 13 of Naga College Foundation, John Benedict Borromeo. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulya. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Teen.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 13, John Benedict Borromeo with 23 big points, 5 rebounds, and 3 steals. Napakaganda po ng larong napanood natin against the Annunciation Panthers. And again, congratulations sa ating NCF Tigers.
Talagang pinakitaan tayo na magandang bakbakan inside this hard court at Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. Dito lamang yan nangyayari sa Bucal Season 6. So maya-maya abangan natin ang mga susunod pang match-up. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes. Abangan niyo po ang UNC versus ACLC Hawks. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.